Let's take a look at this duplex that we bought in 37204 that we're gonna knock down and build two 4,000-ish square foot homes. Quick little walkthrough. Got a bedroom, an additional bedroom, a bathroom. Here's your nice little living room area. Got the first kitchen over here. Quick little peek upstairs. Additional living room spot. Got your little dining room area. Nice little backyard, detached garage. The nice in-ground pool. Here's the second unit. We got another kitchen, additional bathroom, bedroom, living room area, and back to the front. Stay tuned for two homes coming to 37204.